All right, guys, it is February, and we're going to give you the newsletter. January, another solid month. I think we closed over 30 transactions with buyers and sellers. Can't complain about that. December and November, remember, these numbers are in arrears, so when we look back, it's all the stuff we put pending in December and November. Really tough months to navigate through. 30 transactions in that time period. Couldn't be happier. Super excited. February's been gangbusters. We've had tons of buyers, tons of sellers. I'm going out on seller consultations almost every day to multiple properties. Why? The sellers are understanding that the values they get today will be unmatched. Competition's never been lower. Demand remains high. Rates did not push people away. They did for November and December, but they're back, baby. And I couldn't be more excited about the spring market. If you have anything at all, it's a trouble property, it's an estate sale, it's something you inherited, you want to move down to Florida, you want to move up the ranks, whatever that is you have, call me, reach out to me. I have to come look at it. Let's get a valuation and see if it makes sense, because now is the time. Don't wait too long when there's a lot more inventory. You're not going to get these numbers again. Buyers, you're still able to navigate through this, right? You have to understand your numbers. What's your current pre-approval number? What is your monthly payment? What can you afford on paper that makes it feasible for you to continue to transact in your day-to-day life? The brokerage now has over 275 agents, 8 offices, Rhode Island, Mass, and Connecticut. Couldn't be more happy, couldn't be more excited to get this real estate spring market kicking off in the right direction. But here we are, February, awesome month. Let's go get it.